Nestled on the edge of the Swabian Alps in southern Germany, Schloss Lichtenstein looks like something straight out of a fairy tale. But behind its storybook facade is a rich history. In this video, we'll take a look at the castle's origins, walk through the castle grounds, and check out the property's restaurant and playground. Whether you're interested in hiking, history, good food, or a relaxing trip for you and your family, you're in the right place. Let's explore Schloss Lichtenstein.
Papa.
I think it's Schloss.
Papa, look.
I think it's
No, stop. Go after the...
mazes up here.
No, stop it. Mama, what are you taking a picture of? Yo, what?
The castle.
The GoPro wasn't even pointing at the It's another kitty!
Look at the kitty.
Ew, there's a spider too.
Yep.
Look at the kitty. Kitty. Guys, look! Look at Papa and Dada.
Busy right now.
Hi, kitty. Dada. Look at that kitty. I want ice cream.
The castle you see here today was actually only built in the 1840s, but there was a previous Liechtenstein castle and other structures that were standing here for almost 700 years. It was built at the start of the 12th century, and that ancient foundation is still there and is what the current castle was built on. On the castle website, there is a ton of information on the timeline of what has happened in this location, including details of the original fortress being destroyed by citizens during their war against the Count Eberhard of Württemberg in the year 1311, and it being rebuilt 2 years later following a peace agreement. From around 1377 to 1388, the fortress was attacked again by the Free City of Reutlingen during the so-called Wars of the Cities. Between the years 1394 to 1504, the castle changed hands multiple times until 1567 when Liechtenstein lost its title as a castle. It says the Duke at the time replaced the aristocratic position to the mere position of forest menial. The property then became part of the Urich Forest, and in 1802, the King of Württemberg had the top fortress removed and replaced with a timber frame, and the property was actually used as a hunting lodge and as a place for the forest warden to live. In 1837, Wilhelm, Duke of Urich, Count of Württemberg, acquired the castle from his cousin, the king, and started to rebuild it. And he was apparently inspired by a historical novel and wanted to create some romanticized medieval vibes. The property is now privately owned, but is open to the public. And note, you can't fly drones on the property. I found these stock drone videos of the castle on Canva.
Dada, look. Oh, look in here. Look. Oh, I'm getting out of here.
Is there spider webs?
No, there was just a bee flying in there. those
Who's
flowers.
here when they're knocking on the door?
Huh?
So you can see who's here when they're knocking on the door. Visitors from the Shire?
Could we open this door?
No.
Why?
Think Rapunzel's up there, Link?
No, stop it. What the heck is this green stuff? I think I want. What's this one?
Got ice cream.
Hey, look, spaghetti.
What's it?
What do you think of the castle so far?
Good.
What was your favorite part?
The view over there.
Mm-hmm.
Back up all the way back.
Just watch for orcs.
There's no.
They said right now there could be orcs.
Is there an orc warlord?
No, those are not real. Why do you guys think all those are real?
We're at a castle. I thought there'd be castle panic.
No. How do we go in? Papa, stand right there. And Mommy, you stand right there.
Yep.
She's gonna get a video of it.
3, 2, 1, let go. Go.
Hang on.
Push me again. Whoa! In my head. Look at it.
Where we're at is just outside my Thursday through Sunday, 11 to 6.
Can you do it again?
Where's all the drinks here?
Grand TNG.
Dada.
Dada.
It's fine.
Dada.
What's up?
What is this video called? Brahms. Post.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Hello.
Vermuten, dass das kommt zu junger Mann.
You say Danke?
Danke.
Gerne. So, dann Fisch.
Oh my
Take
lord.
pictures.
Ew, he has fish.
Die Maultasche
Yes.
habe ich mir gedacht. Soll ich das so geben?
Mama, what's this?
They're like noodles. You don't have to eat them if you don't want to.
What are those?
It's called Spätzle. They're German noodles.
Sie bekommen wie immer. Also das guten Appetit wünsche Ihnen.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Holy shnikes. Hey, Monster. Can I have my phone?
Why?
Because I want to take a picture of the fish.
How do we do this silverware here?
Lincoln?
After this level.
You're good.